आज हम लोग मेनिंजाइटिस के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे। फाइनल ईयर में मेनिंजाइटिस पढ़ना है, तो आप लोग नोट कीजिए। मेनिंजाइटिस मेनिंजाइटिस refers to the inflammation of the meninges overlying the brain and the spinal cord। क्या होता है? meningitis refers to the inflammation of the meninges overlying the brain and the spinal cord. It is one of the most dreadful emergency met within pediatrics practices. Acute infection of the meninges presents with a characteristic combination of pyrexia, headache, and meningism. Meningism consists of headache, photophobia, and stiffness of the neck, often accompanied by other signs of meningeal irritation, including kerning sign. Extension of the knee with the hip joint flexed causes spasm in the hamstring muscles. Meningism is not specific to meningitis and can occur in patients with subarachnoid hemorrhage. The severity of clinical feature varies with the causative organism, as does the presence of other features such as rashes. Viral meningitis. Viruses are the most common causes of meningitis, usually resulting in benign and self-limiting illness requiring no specific therapy. It is much less serious than bacterial meningitis unless there is associated encephalitis. A number of viruses can cause meningitis, the most common being enterovirus, where a specific immunization is not implied. The mumps virus is a common cause. Clinical feature of meningitis. Viral meningitis occurs mainly in children or young adults with acute onset of headache and irritability and the rapid development of meningism. The headache is usually the most severe feature. There may be a high pyrexia, temperature, fever, and focal neurological signs are rare. Investigation. The diagnosis is made by lumbar puncture. The CSF usually contains an excess of lymphocytes, but glucose and protein levels are commonly normal. The protein level may be raised. Protein level raised रहता है. It is extremely important to verifying that the patient has not received antibiotics prior to the lumbar puncture, as the picture can be also be found in particularly treated bacterial meningitis. मैनेजमेंट में क्या हम लोग करते हैं? There is no specific treatment and the condition is usually being and self-limiting. The patient should be treated symptomatically in a quiet environment. Recovery usually occurs within a day, although lymphocytes pilocytosis may persist in the CSF. Meningitis may also occur is a complication of a asymptomatic viral infection such as mumps, measles, infection, mononucleosis, herpes zoster, and hepatitis. Whatever the virus, complete recovery without a specific therapy is the rule. अब हम लोग बैक्टीरियल मेनिंजाइटिस के बारे में थोड़ा सा स्टडी करें. Many bacteria can cause meningitis, but Geographical patterns vary as those as limited sensitivity. Bacterial meningitis is usually part of bacteremia illness, although direct spread from an adjustment focus of infection in the ear, skull fracture, or sinus can be causative. Antibiotics have rendered this less common, but mortality and morbidity remain significant. An important factor in demonstrating prognosis is early diagnosis and the promote initiation of the appropriate therapy. The meningococcus and other common cause of meningitis are normal conditions of the upper respiratory tract. New and potential pathogenesis strains are acquired by the airborne route, but close contact is necessary. Epidemic of meningococcal meningitis occur particularly in cramped living conditions or where the climate is hot and dry. The organism individuates through the nasopharynx, producing septicemia and leading to meningitis. Pathophysiology. The meningococcus Neisseria meningitis is now the most common causes of bacterial meningitis. Western Europe and Streptococcus pneumonia, while in the USA, Haemophilus influenza remains common in India. H. influenza, beta, and streptopneumonia are probably the most common causes of bacterial meningitis, especially in children. Strep is a rare genetic cause of meningitis associated with contact with pigs. Sure. The infection stimulates an immune response, causing the pyeloid membrane to become congested and infiltrated with inflammatory cells. Pus then forms of layers, which may later organism to form adhesions. This may obstruct the free flow of cerebrospinal fluid (CSF), leading to hydrocephalus, or they may damage the cranial nerves at the base of the brain. Hearing loss is a frequent complication. The CSF pressure rises rapidly, the protein contents increase, प्रोटीन का लेवल इंक्रीज होगा, and there is a cellular reaction that viruses in types and severity according to the nature of the inflammation and the causative organism. The obliterative intritus of the leptomeningeal artery passing through the meningeal exudate may produce secondary cerebral infection. Pneumococcal meningitis is often associated with a very purulent CSF, cerebrospinal fluid, and a high mortality, especially in older adults. Clinical feature of बैक्टीरियल मेनिंजाइटिस क्या होगा? हेडेक होगा, उसके बाद ड्राइनेस होगा, उसके बाद पेशेंट को क्या मिलेगा? फीवर होगा, नेक स्टिफनेस होगा, गर्दन में जकराहट होगा. आर द यूजुअल प्रेजेंटिंग फीचर्स. क्या होगा? पेशेंट को हेडेक होगा, ड्राइनेस होगा, फीवर होगा और नेक स्टिफनेस आर द यूजुअल प्रेजेंटिंग फीचर्स. ये पेशेंट आएगा क्लिनिक में तो क्लिनिकल फीचर्स मिलेगा. इन सीवियर बैक्टीरियल मेनिंजाइटिस द पेशेंट में बी comatose and later there may be focal neurological signs. 90% patients with meningococcal meningitis have 2 of the following: fever and neck stiffness. Alternate consciousness and rashes. When accompanied by septicemia, it may present very rapidly with abrupt onset of apprenticeship due to cerebral edema. इसके बाद नेक्स्ट एपिसोड्स में ऐड कर रहे हैं.